Aloha and welcome to beautiful Napili, Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers greeting you from the Napili Shores Oceanfront Resort here in the heart of the sleepy beach town of Napili, directly adjoining Napili Bay on the other side of these towers. And then we've got Kapalua Bay in the distance. Give you a sense of the view. Be more like that in person. Just an absolutely stunning day, beautiful flowers all around, plumerias, red ixora, palm trees, absolutely gorgeous. From residence F252, a partial ocean view, 1 bedroom, 1 bath here at Napili Shores. Nice covered balcony, brand new sliding doors here, brand new tile flooring, brand new furniture, fresh paint, high vaulted ceilings, really tasteful decor throughout. We've got a pull-out sleeper sofa here on this couch, and then an additional one here. So this 1 bedroom will comfortably sleep 5. We've got a split air conditioning system, the beautiful views of the garden and lanai from the interior. Nice flat screen TV, feels very spacious. Little desk space here. Nice newer appliances, beautiful cabinetry. Kitchen is well stocked for everything that you will need as a home away from home. Got beach gear here, additional storage, linens, those sorts of things. Our front entryway door here. Locking safe. And then the bathroom. Granite sink. Nice walk-in shower. It is immaculately clean, as all of our vacation rentals are. Spacious king bed with an additional split air conditioning system here, so it keeps it very nice and cool in those time periods where there is less wind. But if you'd like to keep it open, you can see the louvers, and Napili's a little cooler at some times. Certainly not cold, but has wonderful cross breezes. So it's just absolutely fantastic for keeping the doors open if you'd like to. So once again, this has been a tour of Napili Shores F252 offered by the Stice team at Hawaii Life Vacations. You can see these people coming back from the beach here. We've got some shuffleboard out front, the oceanfront pool in this direction, and then we've got another pool on the Mauka side back here. So just absolutely gorgeous grounds, walkability to restaurants, beaches. It's absolutely fantastic. You can find us online at vacations.hawaiilife.com and search for Napili Shores F252, or you can inquire directly with our reservation team at mauivacations@hawaiilife.com via email, and we will get back to you very quickly. Jeremy Stice from Hawaii Life saying aloha.